you know, it's the beginning of this new decade. We're in January of 2020 now. Where do you see the future in the next decade of electrical current analysis technology going towards? What are you excited by?
I'm excited because it's finally being accepted. So I'm watching different industries picking up on it very quickly. Some of whom are trying to figure out, quote unquote, how I've done things, like how I do a wind turbine. That's proprietary, but I'll teach people how to do everything else. I'm seeing more people when I go to the Vibration Institute and the Mobius Institute and other places where I'm talking about the technology. The crowd, which used to be, 8 to 12, is now a packed room. It's evolving. I see it as being built into controls and related technology in the next decade.